Okay, Eric Buske, Triple T Construction, Lubbock, Texas, and we're just a cabinet and millwork shop here in town.
What made you purchase a Boss router?
Mostly just the mom and pop and it being built in Texas, somewhere close that I felt like I could get parts, and that it was an American-made machine. That was the biggest part for me.
How did the setup process go?
It was very easy. I didn't even, as far as getting it up and running, I didn't even have to be a major part of it. It was set up and installed and put all together by Tony. And then when it was time to run the machine, Tony took his time and was very, very patient with me on getting everything up and running. It was way smoother and easier than I really thought it was going to be.
So the RouterCAD software comes with the machine. How have you found the software to be?
I found the software to be very, very user-friendly. I haven't really got to know the entire portion of the cabinet side, but the MDF door side and the custom CAD side of it has been wonderful. It's been very easy to operate, and it's really took my cabinet doors to another level.
With the router, you get 3 days on-site training, and then you get another year of full support and training on the software. How's that been working for you?
This is my first CNC, and so I really don't have anything to compare it to, but it's been absolutely phenomenal. I've talked to other guys who have bought CNCs, and there's no other companies out there that I'm aware of that has the support